Hello friends, welcome to How to Rocket once again. In this video, I will tell you how you can archive and unarchive your Instagram post on Instagram. So what you have to do is, first of all, you will have to log into your Instagram account. As you can see, I have already logged in here. And then at the bottom right corner, you can see this profile picture. Simply click on your profile, and here you will find all the your post and then reels and the tag post. As I have only one reel and one post, to archive what you have to do is click on your post. Suppose I have to archive this Instagram logo, so simply open that post and click here on three dots, and then here you will find the fourth option, archive. Simply click here on archive, and you can see this post is hide from your profile, and this post will be invisible to you and your followers on Instagram, but you can definitely access that post if you want. So what we have to do to unarchive or to bring that post on your profile here, simply click here on three lines, then you will find this archive option. Again click here, and here you will find the post or archive that this post I have archived it. So to unarchive this post, what you have to do is click on this post and click on these three dots, and then you find this option, show on profile. Simply click here on show on profile. Now this post will be again visible on your profile, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can use these archive options, and it's definitely useful if you want to hide your post from your account. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.